12 high-paying HVAC jobs and salaries. Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. Many students ask me, what can I do after finishing my HVAC course? Or, how much can I earn? Today, I will show you 12 different career paths in the HVAC industry and their average salaries. Whether you are a beginner or looking to advance to level 3, this video is for you. Job 1. HVAC Installation. Technician. The role. You are responsible for installing new indoor and outdoor units, laying down copper piping, and setting up the initial system in homes. Salary range: $35,000 to $55,000. Global /$35,000 to $60,000 Pakistani rupees. Local. Job 2. HVAC Service Technician, Troubleshooter. The role. This is the most common job. You diagnose problems, fix gas leakages, and replace faulty capacitors or compressors. Salary range: $40,000 to $65,000. Global /$45,000 to $75,000 Pakistani rupees. Local. Job 3. Chiller Technician. The role. You work on massive cooling plants for malls, hospitals, and industries. This requires knowledge of water-cooled and air-cooled systems. Salary range: $50,000 to $80,000. Global /$60,000 to $120,000 Pakistani rupees. Local. Job 4. Controls and Automation. Technician. The role. You focus on the brain of the system, wiring magnetic contactors, thermostats, and sensors to automate cooling. Salary range: $55,000 to $85,000. Global /$70,000 to $130,000 Pakistani rupees. Local. Job 5. Refrigeration. Technician. The role. You handle commercial cooling, like cold storage for food or medicines and walk-in freezers in supermarkets. Salary range: $45,000 to $70,000. Global /$50,000 to $90,000 Pakistani rupees. Local. Job 6. Duct Mechanic /Fabricator. The role. You specialize in designing and installing the metal ducting that carries air throughout a building. Salary range: $35,000 to $55,000. Global /$35,000 to $65,000 Pakistani rupees. Locale. Job 7. HVAC Design Engineer. The role. You use software like AutoCAD to design the HVAC layout for new buildings before they are even built. Salary range: $65,000 to $100,000. Global /$80,000 to $150,000 Pakistani rupees. Locale. Job 8. Estimator /Sales. Representative. The role. You calculate the costs of a project and sell HVAC systems or maintenance contracts to clients. Salary range: $40,000 to $90,000. Global /$50,000 to $150,000 Pakistani rupees. Locale. Job 9. HVAC Project Manager. The role. You manage the entire team, the budget, and the timeline for big installation projects. Salary range: $75,000 to $120,000. Global /$100,000 to $250,000 Pakistani rupees. Local. Job 10. Facilities Manager. The role. You are in charge of maintaining all systems, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, for a large building or housing society. Salary range: $70,000 to $110,000. Global /$90,000 to $200,000 Pakistani rupees. Local. Job 11. HVAC Instructor. The role. You teach technical skills at vocational institutes, helping the next generation learn Level 2 and Level 3 HVAC. Salary range: $50,000 to $75,000. Global /60,000 to 100,000 Pakistani rupees. Locale. Job 12. Business owner, entrepreneur. The role. You start your own HVAC company. Your income depends on your clients and how many contracts you manage. Salary. Unlimited potential. Conclusion. As you can see, the HVAC field is huge. Whether you like hands-on repair or office design, there is a high-paying job waiting for you. My advice? Keep learning, finish your certifications, and stay updated with my channel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.